Colleagues, I'm excited to announce the implementation of a new patient feedback form. This initiative aims to gather valuable insights into our patients' experiences and identify areas for improvement.
That's a great idea. How will the feedback be collected?
We'll distribute the forms to patients after their appointments. The forms will be anonymous and confidential, ensuring that patients can provide honest feedback without fear of judgment.
What kind of questions will be included on the form?
The form will cover various aspects of the patient's experience, including the waiting time, communication with staff, and overall satisfaction with their care. We'll also ask for suggestions and feedback on how we can improve our services.
How often will the feedback be collected and analyzed?
We'll collect feedback on a regular basis and analyze the results to identify trends and areas for improvement. The data will be shared with the relevant departments so that necessary changes can be implemented.
Will the feedback be used to evaluate the performance of individual staff members?
The feedback will be used to assess the overall quality of care provided by our team. We'll identify areas for improvement and provide targeted training and support to staff members.
Mihira, it's important to give your hand some time to rest, especially in the first couple of days, so try to avoid using it too much. If you're frequently using your hands for cooking or cleaning, it might aggravate the bruise or cause more injury. If possible, take a bit of a break from those activities, or at least use your other hand when you can. I know it might be tempting to get back to your usual activities, especially cooking, but it's really important to give your hand some rest right now. Mihira, before we finish up, let's talk a bit about how you can take care of your hand and prevent any further injury. As for caring for your hand, keeping it clean is essential, especially if the skin is slightly damaged or sensitive. You don't want to risk any infections. Just wash the area gently and avoid putting too much pressure on it. If you're doing anything that might strain your hand, like cooking or cleaning, consider using protective gear. Padded gloves or grips can really help reduce the strain on your hand and keep it safe while it heals. Going forward, when you're back in the kitchen, try to be extra mindful of sharp or heavy objects. Using padded grips on utensils or ensuring you have a firm, stable hold on pans and pots can prevent accidents like this from happening again. Slips and bumps are common, but a little extra care can go a long way in protecting your hands. Does that all make sense?